You want me to talk to the fourth grade?
You're psychic. You're on speaking terms with dead people. The kids will listen to what you say.
Have Kenny talk to them. He's been there.
Ginny.
What do you mean he's been there?
Nothing. You got a big mouth, you know that, Ginny?
Talk to the kids.
Have you been dead before? I must be sundowning again.
What was that about?
Nothing.
Well, what did Jenny mean when she said you've been there?
Last year when I was shot. Remember when the Frogman's kid put a bullet next to my heart? When they were operating, for about 5 seconds or so, I was suddenly above the table looking down at my body, watching Jill reach for the bullet.
Well, that could have been a hallucination.
That's what I thought. I asked Jill. I asked her what she did, everything that happened. She described exactly what I saw. And I was completely unconscious at the time. I think I was dead. And I came back.
I was up late last night, Your Honor, working on this case. And I couldn't help but think what a terrible judge you are. A judge should always follow the law and be above all consistent. A lawyer should know what to expect when he walks into his courtroom. The killing done a year ago, you ruled that suicide fell within the right to privacy, and you held that assisting suicide was legal. But with Howard Buss, you suddenly say assisting his suicide is wrong. You're not consistent. A lawyer cannot rely on your rulings, and that's why you'll never make it to the Supreme Court.
I'm crushed.
The judges who do make it to the top, they worry about precedent and how their rulings will affect the next case. The trouble with you is you worry too much about the actual case in front of you. Well, right in front of you today is Bobby Hutton. He wants to grow up to play baseball for the Cubs. He wants to grow up to get married. He wants to grow up. The odds are he won't. His only hope is this thing called cryonics. It's a long shot. Nobody is kidding anybody. But to Bobby Hutton, this long shot is everything. It's all he's got. I know most judges will look at the big picture and deny the court order. Well, they have to, of course. But we're appearing before you. There's a brave little boy here who's dying. I hope for his sake that you'll never make it to the Supreme Court.